Hi, it's Dr. Elijah Van Dusen again with today's 3-Minute Health Talk. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the dangers of prescription and over-the-counter drugs. So, taken as directed, prescription and over-the-counter drugs can help people get well, but using these drugs to get high, help you study, lose weight, or build up muscle, or even deal with chronic pain is really bad for you and can kill you, not to mention being illegal. So doctors prescribe drugs like OxyContin, Vicodin for physical pain, for example, and taking too many painkillers can actually slow down or even stop your breathing and stop the healing process. A person who becomes addicted to painkillers can also need additional help to stop, like 12-step program or a detox or rehab facility. And also, when you stop taking painkillers, your body goes through withdrawal symptoms. Symptoms of withdrawal include things like diarrhea, vomiting, and feeling very achy, cold, and very restless. So sedatives, central nervous system depressants, are drugs prescribed for anxiety, stress, or sleep problems, and they're known as sedatives or tranquilizers. Some common drugs in this category are Xanax, Valium, and Librium. And when combined with alcohol, especially, these sedatives can slow down or even stop your heartbeat, breathing. People who abuse these sedatives for a long time can suffer withdrawal and even seizures when they try to stop. So very, very difficult to stop, and people need to be taken off in a specific way to stop. Otherwise, it doesn't work. It can be very dangerous. Also, some things like over-the-counter medications like DXM or dextromethorphan. That's a common ingredient of cough syrup. That can also lead to addiction and can be very, very difficult to get off of. You can feel paranoid, dizzy, sick to your stomach, for example, when you take this type of medication, cough syrup. It can also cause irregular heartbeats, blackouts, seizures, and a lot of damage and even death. Anabolic steroids, it's another class of drugs that can be very addictive and very damaging, like Anadrol, Oxandrin, Durabolin. They're all anabolic steroids, and they're used to treat growth problems, diseases, and things like that that can cause loss of muscle mass, or just bodybuilders who want to bulk up. And they do promote muscle growth, but they can also increase your risk of heart attack and stroke, and they can cause liver cancer too. Some other effects are breast growth in men, and women can also grow more body hair. They can also lead to baldness in both men and women, and they can stop you from growing to your full height. So also, if you're competing in athletic events, obviously steroid abuse is illegal too and can lead to fines or jail, disqualification from the athletic event. So be very, very careful when you're using prescription drugs and also over-the-counter drugs. Just because it's not prescribed by a doctor doesn't mean it's dangerous. And try to use natural alternatives to whatever you're dealing with instead of going the route of taking these drugs, because it can be very difficult to get off of and can cause permanent damage or even death. So hope this is useful, and have a great day. Bye-bye.